Think you need a mountain of cash to invest in real estate? Think you have to save 4 years before you can even think about buying your first property? Well, I've got news for you. That's a myth. Today, I'm going to show you 5 proven strategies you can use to start your real estate portfolio. Even if you have less than $1,000 in your pocket. Yes, you heard that right. No money down, no problem. And if you want more real estate hacks, strategies, and insider tips, subscribe to the Real Estate Scout. We're here to help you make smarter moves in property investing. Here's the truth. Real estate is one of the fastest ways to build wealth. But the biggest roadblock for most people isn't finding deals, it's finding the money. The good news? There are ways to get started without needing hundreds of thousands in the bank. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 practical real-world strategies, including how to get started, what to watch out for, and examples of people who've done it successfully. We'll go from beginner-friendly options you can start today to more advanced plays that can change your financial future. Strategy number 1, house hacking. First up, house hacking. Here's how it works. You buy a property, maybe a duplex, triplex, or a single-family home with extra bedrooms. Live in one part and rent out the rest. The rent you collect from tenants helps pay your mortgage, which means you can live for little or nothing, and sometimes even make a profit every month. Here's a real example. Alex bought a $250,000 duplex using an FHA loan. After utilities and upkeep, Alex's cost to live in his own home was less than $200 a month, and he was building equity the entire time. Pro tip: FHA loans let you get in with low down payments, and you can sometimes roll closing costs into the loan. VA loans can even be 0% down if you qualify. Strategy number 2, wholesaling next. Wholesaling real estate. This strategy doesn't require you to buy or own property. Instead, you find a property at a great price, get it under contract, and then sell the rights to that contract to another investor for a fee. Example: you find a property worth $200,000, negotiate to buy it for $150,000. Then you find another investor who's happy to pay $160,000 for it. You simply assign the contract to them and collect the $10,000 difference, without ever owning the property yourself. What you need: good negotiation skills, ability to find motivated sellers, foreclosures, tired landlords, inherited properties. Networking with cash buyers, it takes hustle. But it's one of the fastest ways to make money in real estate without needing a large investment. Strategy number 3, partnering with investors. Here's a game changer. Partnerships. If you have skills but no money, find someone who has money but no time. Your role could be finding the deals, managing renovations, or overseeing tenants. The role is funding the purchase. The profits are split based on your agreement. Sometimes it's 50/50ths, sometimes 70/30ths. Example: Sarah found a 4-unit building listed for $400,000. She had no cash, but she knew the numbers made sense. She partnered with an investor who funded the entire deal. Sarah managed the property, improved operations, and within 2 years, the property's value had increased by $120,000. They sold it. And Sarah walked away with over $50,000 without ever using her own money. Pro tip: build trust and credibility before approaching investors. Show them the numbers, the plan, and how you'll protect their money. Strategy number 4, seller financing. This one's less common, but incredibly powerful. Seller financing. Instead of borrowing from a bank, you negotiate directly with the property owner to make monthly payments to them. Why would a seller agree? They avoid a lump sum tax hit. They earn interest from you over time. They keep income coming in. Example: retired landlord owns a property free and clear and wants to sell it for $300,000 instead of paying in full. You offer $10,000 down and agree to pay them $1,500 a month for 15 years at 4% interest. They get steady income, and you get a property without going through traditional bank financing. Strategy number 5, REITs and real estate crowdfunding. Finally, for those starting with under $500, let's try REITs, real estate investment trusts, or real estate crowdfunding platforms. REITs are companies that own or finance real estate, and you can buy shares like you buy stocks. This lets you get exposure to real estate returns without being a landlord. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realtime let you invest small amounts, sometimes $10 to $100 in actual real estate projects. This is perfect for building passive income while you save up for your first physical property. Closing and action plan. So here's the recap. 1. House hacking. Live for free while building equity. 2. Wholesaling. Quick profits without owning property. 3. Partnerships. Trade skills for equity. 4. Seller financing. Negotiate directly with owners. 5. REITs and crowdfunding. Start small and grow. The truth is, you don't need to wait years to save tens of thousands of dollars. You can start today with the resources you already have by picking one of these strategies and taking action. And remember, the most successful investors aren't the ones with the most money. They're the ones who start early and think creatively. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to the Real Estate Scout. We've got more real estate tips, market insights, and proven strategies coming your way every week.